Let's dive into the depths of human emotions and explore the intricacies of the human heart. First and foremost, remember that no matter how insignificant you may feel, you are someone's reason to smile. You are a ray of sunshine in their life, and that's a beautiful thing. However, it's essential to recognize that you can't heal someone who uses their pain as an excuse to hurt you. No matter how good you are, if you're in the wrong place, you're worthless. Sometimes, giving up is the only option you have, because you can't beg someone to treat you with the love and respect you deserve. Now, let's talk about love. Once you fall deeply in love, there's no going back to just being friends. It's a one-way street, and there's no turning back. Not every person deserves your explanation, and sometimes it's okay to be silent and let them assume you're wrong. The saddest part of life is saying goodbye to someone you wish to spend a lifetime with. When you truly love someone, it becomes incredibly difficult to leave them. But here's the thing. If a guy is genuinely in love with you, he'll begin to open up to you about things that are deep and hard to talk about. He'll share his fears, his dreams, and his desires with you. On the other hand, no one notices your tears, sadness, or pain, but they all notice your mistakes. The worst feeling in the world is when you don't want to give up on someone, but you know you have to. Did you know that 98% of boys are attracted to girls who can make them laugh? It's true. A sense of humor is a powerful magnet, and it can bring people together like nothing else can. The hardest thing I've learned from life is how to keep quiet even when I have millions of words to say. It's a difficult skill to master, but it's essential in relationships. Now, here's a harsh reality. It sucks when the only person who makes you feel better is also the reason you're in pain. It's a toxic cycle, and it's hard to break free. One of the hardest decisions you'll ever face in life is choosing whether to walk away or try harder. Just because someone desires you doesn't mean they value you. Don't be addicted to someone. It's very hard to forget them when they leave. When a girl says, what? It's not because she didn't hear you. She's just giving you a chance to change what you said. Real depression is when you act like you've stopped loving the person you love. Listen carefully to how a person speaks about others to you. This is exactly how they will speak about you to others. The most confusing feeling in the world is when your mind hates someone, but your heart loves them, and you don't know what to do. Women often find themselves more attracted to someone with the ability to make them laugh. No matter how carefully you choose your words, they will always end up being twisted by others. People get mad at you when they can't use you. Telling a woman to relax when she's obviously upset will only annoy her and cause her to become angrier. When you're no longer friends with someone, respect the secrets they shared with you. It's called integrity. When it comes to relationships, 85% of people don't want perfection. They want effort. Here's a myth buster. Opposites don't attract. We're generally attracted to people with the same understanding of the world as us. Romance in the workplace is more likely to turn into marriage than meeting in bars or at friends' houses. The most painful goodbyes are the ones that are left unsaid and never explained. Sometimes, the more you know about someone, the more you lose interest in them. People start missing you the most when they realize they can't replace you. Love often starts with a feeling, but it endures as a choice to stay. You're easily attracted to a person you have no chance with. Sometimes, the ones who don't talk to you are the ones who really want you. Girls often fall in love with the person who avoids them the most. If you don't clear your misunderstandings in time, they become the reason for distance forever. People will come back in your life after they get disappointed by people they thought were better than you. And finally, remember that love is a choice. It's a decision to stay with someone, to support them, and to love them unconditionally. It's not always easy, but it's worth it in the end.